What's good, guys? So long time no see. I haven't really been making videos lately, but it's because I haven't been able to like record longer than like 2 minute videos on my phone. I couldn't figure out why, but that like regarding like, cause I don't have a camera, but I have a laptop, and I don't know, like it wasn't letting me record any like videos, so I figure I'll try my phone again. Hopefully, I can like get something. But I want to talk about protein ice cream. So I got some right here. It's not like super like frozen, but I want to talk about some of the flavors that I've come up with so far. I've been seeing like a rise of protein ice cream on YouTube lately, and I haven't been like been able to post videos, but I've been watching other people's videos, and I've been commenting, and like some of them like I've seen a lot of like great videos, and I don't know, like I have my own flavor, so I'm not gonna like go and like I guess try to take one and make it my own. Like I have a little booklet that I've been writing recipes in. I only have a couple, but I have some on my phone too. I have about up to 12 to well, like 12 to 14 different like protein ice cream recipes, and I think like 10 or so protein donut recipes, and I have like French toast recipes, um, like different types of breakfast, and um, yeah. But I want to talk about like protein ice cream in general, because I feel like some of these like the videos I've been seeing recently, it's kind of awkward. Like they, one of the ingredients though, like back before I stopped making ice cream in general, because it's like my blender, I have a austerizer blender, and I just bought a Ninja blender because like Greg Doucette said to do so, and so I figure okay, I'll just like try that. Well, it's a great blender. I won't say it's the best blender, but it's an okay blender. Um, but all right. So like yeah. So I have a Ninja blender. This was $100 at Target, and I I came to the conclusion that like it blends really well. Only problem is it doesn't blend ice that well, and unless you're like blending it on high for a really long time, all the ice isn't gonna melt, which is it or not melt, but it's not gonna like break down to such a degree that it's just like it's smooth. Um, I've come across like little like pieces. I want like small pebbles of ice in each of my ice creams that I've been using them like the Ninja Blender in, and or Ninja Blender 4, and it's a little bit annoying, but it's not like not something I can't tolerate though. But I want to talk about some of these flavors that I've seen recently and why I think that they're awkward. So the first one is peanut butter cup. Now, I've tried for the life of me to make peanut butter cup protein ice cream, and I was close with this one. Now, most most of the protein ice cream recipes I've been seeing recently, um, they require a whole lot of ice. A whole lot of ice. I've seen people use like xanthan gum or guar gum, and if you don't know what xanthan gum or guar gum is, it's a thickening agent that's in like a lot of different types of foods. And well, I've had my xanthan gum for like a year and a half, I want to say, and it's like it lasts a really long time. But the amount that I see people putting inside these like recipes is ridiculous. Like I've seen people put like like a tablespoon and a half for the amount of like liquid and ice and ingredients that they have. I think it'll turn out like a dough instead of like ice cream per se. Um, it's just like with like sweetener. If you don't know, the more sweetener you use in a recipe, the more distorted the taste is to that recipe. So like say you had like a chocolate chip ice cream. Um there was one I was gonna try to make, but I don't necessarily know how to make that just yet. I'm slowly figuring out like different recipes to like come up with, and like it's stuff that's already like a thing, but with protein ice cream it's kind of hard to do it because like the ratios have to be proper. But yeah, I I think just say like chocolate chip for example. Even though like I haven't made that yet, but I've seen people put like Greek yogurt in it, sweetener, and the amount that I've seen is crazy. A few like of the videos I've seen so far, I've seen like hundreds of like protein ice cream videos recently. Like just in the last 2 months, I've seen probably I want to say 40 or 50. But I binge watch these just because it's like besides the work and um, other stuff I could possibly do, I haven't done anything else. Like I've been home. I have like my weights on the floor. I don't know if you can see them that well, but I have my weights in like a resistance band on the floor, and I just been doing home workouts and like yeah, like besides that, I've been just like binge watching like protein ice cream videos. Oh, I noticed too, because I've been making like donuts for the past few years. I noticed there's a rise in like protein donut recipes, and like I swear the cook times for these donuts is ridiculous. Like people put them in the oven for like 10, 15 minutes, and like sometimes 20. And I'm just like they're gonna turn out like hockey pucks. Even with like sweetener, like I've seen people put up to 10 grams of sweetener. Even like the highest I think I've seen is 30 grams of just artificial sweetener. Now, you could believe this or not, like it's not gonna kill you versus like it might do some harm, but we don't necessarily know exactly what it's gonna do. Um, it I don't feel like you should have that much because that like the amount of sweetener that's going into these foods, it literally like whatever flavor you thought it was gonna be, it's not gonna be that flavor anymore. I remember earlier this like earlier in the summer, I had just restarted doing protein ice creams. Um, and the flavors that I was doing was just like pumpkin pie or pumpkin pie, um, chocolate, and strawberry. And then I came up with strawberry banana. Yeah, strawberry banana. Now I literally will use like 3 grams of sweetener, like max. And the reason why is because it's like the more you put in there, the less you'll be able to taste all the other ingredients. And it's kind of like it's weird. It's a weird thing because people think that like, oh, I like it really sweet. I like it really sweet. That's not going to that makes no difference. Like you could like it sweet, you could like it less sweet, you could like it plain, whatever. But when you add more sweetener, it throws off the flavors to such a degree that it'll leave a nasty taste in the back of your mouth. And like over the summer, um, I bought I bought some more stevia. I had these two yellow boxes of sweetener. I don't know what they were called, but I went through these making a lot of protein donuts because I was like every morning, well, not every morning, like 4 mornings out the week, I would have protein donuts. And I'm gonna be real with you guys, like most of these foods, like you can have protein donuts, protein ice cream. Um, I don't know if anybody does it, but like wraps and all that. Most of these foods, they're I won't say voluminous, but they're also like nutrient dense, and so they keep you full for longer. And I was like having like donuts and ice creams and all that, and like the amount of calories per like item is like between 300 to 400. So if you like compare that to like other types of things similar to that, or like regular items like similar to that, like I don't know, like regular ice cream. I haven't had like ice cream in a minute. Like regular ice cream, I haven't had any because I just like after learning what's inside of like vanilla ice cream, I kind of don't. I haven't had regular ice cream in like half a year, maybe a little bit longer. Um, but I've been like making my own for a while, and like I always like when it came to like making donuts, I used probably 2 packets of sweetener, which is 2 grams. And I wouldn't go over that. If I like use more than that, it'd just be for the ice creams. But I learned really fast that the more sweetener you use, it throws off the flavor a lot because it's like not only is it the flavor of whatever you're eating gonna be like thrown, it won't taste how you think it's gonna taste. And like the taste that this left in my mouth will last all day. And I couldn't figure out why it was like that, and then I realized if you use a lot of sweetener, because there was a couple recipes that I tried to like mimic like regular stuff. Like I tried making cookies with just like protein cookies. It didn't come out well. I made chocolate chip cookies, and they weren't even cookies. Like that's the one thing I don't think people realize is like protein powder. You won't ever get a cookie consistency unless you are like a I don't know um like a professional cookie maker or baker or whatever. It's not gonna happen. Well, it it's just like I don't know, like it leaves a nasty taste in the mouth, and I feel like a lot of people like it. I've seen like I just saw I think today or yesterday I was watching um I watched a couple of different YouTubers recently. I've been paying attention. Like there's Iron Musket, Jason Alexander, um, uh, let's see, um, I can't, I can't think. Oh, Will Tennyson, I believe. Um, I kind of watch Remington James, but it's I don't know. Like some of his recipes, I feel like they might be good, but I'm scared to try them because I've seen like like the comment section, and like people post like the recipe and the amount of like sweetener that he uses, and it's just like it it's astronomical. Like the amount is huge, and I'm just scared. Like if I try any of his recipes, I'm gonna probably blow my tongue up or something. But yeah. So I've been watching I watched probably 2 of Remington James recipes, the recipe videos, and then I've been watching exercise for cheat meals. Um, Occasionally I'll watch Greg Doucette. I like Greg Doucette's videos. I'm not gonna lie, I like his videos. But what? Who else? I think that's it. I think that's it because other than those um couple of people, I've been watching videos involved with Amber Lynn Reed. Uh, if you don't know, like Foodie Beauty, I don't want to call her that because she's something else. But Chantel or Chantal, however people say her name, Chantel. I started watching this like Amy's life journey. Was this lady is very awkward. Um, uh, Life by Jen. All these like the people, the women that I'm naming right now, have done some shady stuff recently, and I don't know what it is, but that ain't part of this video. I just want to say that. But yeah, like I'll talk more about protein ice cream. If you notice, this right here, it's a strawberry peanut butter. I was gonna name it strawberry peanut butter cup, but I've been wanting like peanut butter cup for like the last 4 months, and I could never make it because I don't know how to do it. Um, it's like just the ratio of ingredients. I don't know where to buy some of these ingredients. Like I've been to Walmart probably in like just this year alone. I've been to Walmart. I want to say like 6 times because I'm like the whole like standing outside in this long ass line. I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling it. And then like with these whole face mask thing going on, I I can't. I just can't. But yeah, anyways, I'm David Action Jackson, coming at you live representing Action Jack Fitness. I hope you find this video insightful, and just hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm out.